Welcome to the ePNJPOS Order Builder video. This video will show you how to use the Order Builder to itemize your sales using the ePN Inventory option. This feature is automatically available to merchants who have ePN Inventory enabled on their account. You can use a barcode scanner or select the products from a drop-down menu. First, let's set up the Order Builder to open for each transaction. You will need a manager login for this change. Once you're logged into ePNJPOS, click the Settings icon. Click Yes. Enter the manager login. Click Plugins. From the drop-down menu, select Order Builder. Click Save and Close. Log back into ePNJPOS and the order build will open. You can type the product name here to find it in the drop-down menu or use the barcode scanner to quickly add the product to the order builder. Once the products have been added, click Process Now. Select the payment type or click Enter to continue. Enter the customer payment information or use the swiper hardware. Continue with the transaction prompts. Once the payment is approved, you can reprint the receipt here. Click Enter to start a new transaction. The Order Builder will open again. You can also access this window by clicking this icon here. Thank you for watching.